Let's clear up the biggest myth. 12th pass, high-paying CAD job in 3 months. Sounds tempting, right? But it's mostly marketing hype. Learning CAD software is easy. Landing a real job without a technical background is nearly impossible. Companies want more than button pushers. They want people who understand engineering, manufacturing, or architecture. Without a diploma, ITI, or B.Tech, you're missing the industry's language and rules. Most who fall for the hype end up with a certificate, no real job prospects, and maybe a low-paying, dead-end drafting gig. The real jobs, with growth and respect, go to those who've built a solid technical foundation. If you're serious, start with a proper technical qualification, not just a CAD course. Get that diploma, enroll in ITI, build your base. Only then does CAD become a powerful tool in your arsenal. Think of CAD like a calculator, useless if you don't know math. Without design and engineering knowledge, you're just tracing lines. Don't let slick ads fool you. There are no shortcuts. CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design, using computers to create and modify designs. It replaced hours at drafting tables with fast, flexible digital blueprints for everything from phones to bridges. CAD designers work in offices, creating digital plans. CNC or VMC operators work on shop floors, turning those plans into real objects. Think of it like a chef, CAD designer, writing the recipe, and a cook, CNC operator, preparing the dish. Both roles are essential, but require different skills and environments. CAD is about design and problem solving. CNC is about hands-on production. They're two sides of the same coin, idea to reality. Got the right education? Great! Now you need real skills. For mechanical CAD, master engineering drawings, projections, and tolerancing. For civil architectural, understand building codes, layouts, and system integration. Start with AutoCAD for 2D drafting. Move to SolidWorks or Creo for 3D mechanical, or Revit for BIM, civil architecture. Don't try to learn everything at once. Master one, then expand. To get hired, build a strong portfolio, 5 to 6 real projects, showing both 2D and 3D skills. Certificates are just paper. Your portfolio is proof. Use LinkedIn, Naukri, and your college's placement cell to connect directly with companies. Don't just send resumes. Reach out with your portfolio and show initiative. Be proactive and strategic in your job search. A smart approach and a solid portfolio put you ahead of the crowd. The right skills and strategy matter more than any certificate. Stand out by showing what you can actually do. Let's talk salary. Freshers with a diploma or ITI start at 1.8–2.5 lakhs a year. B.Tech grads can get 2.5 to 4 lakhs. The real money comes with experience. After 3 to 5 years, skilled designers earn 4 to 7 lakhs, and experts with 8 to 10 years can make 8 to 15 lakhs or more. Your growth depends on building real skills and domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means deep, practical understanding of a specific industry, earned through hands-on work, not just courses. Working in a field like sheet metal or piping teaches you things textbooks can't. Companies value this real-world expertise. It's the bridge between drawing something and knowing why it works. Domain knowledge is what makes you truly valuable and drives your salary up. Worried about AI taking CAD jobs? Don't be. AI is a tool, not a replacement. It automates repetitive tasks, but can't replace human creativity, judgment, or understanding of client needs. The future CAD Pro uses AI to design smarter and faster, shifting from manual work to creative problem solving. So, focus on building real skills, not just collecting certificates. Choose software and skills based on your target industry. Get your foot in the door, Then absorb as much domain knowledge as you can. Ask questions. Understand the why behind every design. Your career is a marathon. Keep learning and growing. If you put in the effort, you'll become an indispensable designer and problem solver. Now, get to work.